I haven't followed with employment law. Is it? I know PI is crazy. Is it pretty cutthroat with you guys too right now? Yeah,
Yeah,
really.
yeah, it's expensive. It's never as good as the first one.
Yeah. One thing with employment law, like um, when you get the leads that come in, and we only do exclusively personal injury here, but I have a hard time finding like whether or not this is a case or not.
Hmm.
So like the question I was gonna ask you was like, how do you like? It feels like you need a lawyer to intake.
It's tough.
Like I can have
It's
like I
tough.
can train someone to figure out that this is a PI case we can handle. You don't need to be a
Yeah.
lawyer to do that.
It's employment laws. It's nuanced. There
Yeah.
are so many more things that we factor into the decision to accept or reject a case
Hmm.
than there are for PI or
Yeah.
work comp.
Yeah.
It's just so many things to
Yeah.
consider. And with my intake guys, I've worked with them. I talk about what I'm looking at in
Hmm.
accepting or rejecting a case, and I've
Hmm.
spent a lot of time training them. And they, at this point, it's taken about a year for them to really figure out what cases I'm going to take, what I'm going to
Hmm.
reject. And there's just so many factors that go into it.
Yeah, because people think that they got terminated. That I have a case, and it's like in California's at will state, right? You
Correct.
get
Yeah.
fired for as long as it's not protected class, right? Yeah,
So yeah, in
yeah.
California, you have at-will employment, which means you could be fired at any time for any reason or no reason. They don't have to
Yeah.
even give you a reason. And it's only wrongful termination if you're fired because of your membership in a protected class
Hmm.
or your membership, or excuse me, or for engaging in protected activity. And
Yeah.
protected class would mean you can't be fired for your race, gender,
Hmm.
religion, sexual orientation, national origin, things of that nature. But for protected activity, that would be something like complaining of overtime or
Hmm.
complaining about not getting your breaks, or you
Hmm.
discover fraudulent activity at the company and report it. Those types of things are protected activity. And if you're fired for your membership in a protected class or for engaging in protected activity, it's wrongful termination. But
Hmm.
aside from those two main categories, you can be fired for anything. And a
Yeah.
lot of people think they have wrongful termination cases when they don't.
Uh,
They'll feel like they're being treated differently because of their race, for
hmm.
example. And they probably are.
Hmm.
But we need something concrete to work with.
Yeah.
We can't prosecute a case based on a
Yeah.
feeling. We have to have evidence, and that comes in
Hmm.
the form of text messages or emails or witness statements. And without that,
Hmm.
it's not much we can do.
Yeah.